Learning Objective 5, Other Elasticities. So the own advertising elasticity is one where we're changing our demand by advertising for our product. Cross advertising shows the impact on the consumption of X given advertising for a product Y. So advertising could be for your own benefit, or it could be a competitive weapon against another company. So now we can look at the elasticity for linear demand functions. So if we have an expression such as this, the quantity demanded of X equals alpha sub 0 plus alpha X times PX, etc. for price of Y, price of X, income, and other factors, then the own price elasticity is found by alpha X times price of X divided by the quantity of X that's demanded. And then the similar fashion we could do cross price elasticity, AY, which is the price of Y divided by the quantity of X that's demanded. And income elasticity is the alpha M times M divided by the quantity of X demanded, right? So this is a shorthand way to get elasticities based on a linear demand function. So let's try this out. So here we have the daily demand for invigorated ped shoes is estimated to be, this expression looks familiar, and suppose that X sells at $25 a pair, Y sells at $35, and the company utilizes 50 units of advertising with average consumer income of $20,000, and we're going to calculate the own, cross, and income elasticities. All right, to solve this problem, let's first determine the amount of QX, the amount demanded. And we're given the data to allow us to do so. So QX demanded equals 100 minus 3 times the price of X, which is 25. And then that's plus 4 times the price of Y, which is 35, minus 0.01 times the income, which is 20,000, plus 2 times the advertising, which is 50 units. See, the answer is 65. So that's Q of X, quantity of X. So now we can calculate the own price elasticity using this expression here. So it's the alpha of X, which is 3, times the expression of P, which is price of X, which is 25, divided by Q at this time is 65. So it's 1.14. Next, we'll do the cross price elasticity, which is alpha Y, which is 4, times the price of Y, which is 35, divided by the quantity, which is 65, equals 2.15. And then income elasticity is we take the alpha M, which is minus 0.01 times the amount of income, 20,000, divided by the quantity of X, which is 65. So now we have these three numbers. So let's evaluate the three elasticities that we just computed. First, for own price elasticity, if the absolute value of the elasticity is greater than 1, then it's elastic. Here, 1.14 or 1.15 is greater than 1, therefore it's elastic. For cross price elasticity, if it's greater than 0, a positive number, then it is a substitute versus a complement. And here, if the income elasticity is positive, then it's normal, otherwise it's inferior. So now we've calculated the own, cross, and income elasticities for this particular problem, and we've also interpreted whether it's elastic or inelastic in the case of own price, substitute or complement for cross price, and normal versus inferior for the income elasticity.